In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat on your laptop. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, this guide will bring you up to speed on how to handle PDFs efficiently. Once you've opened Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you have options to either create a new document or access a recently opened one. For today, we'll go ahead and navigate to a recently opened file. This is particularly useful if you're working on ongoing projects that need frequent updates or revisions. Now, let's turn our attention to the toolbar. This is your main control panel and the hub of all your editing activities. In the toolbar section, click on the Edit feature. This command is the gateway to transforming your PDFs, allowing you to make the necessary changes that will fit your needs. Once you've selected Edit, the next step is to decide what part of the document you wish to modify first. Adobe Acrobat gives you complete control to edit various elements within your PDF. You may choose to edit text, work with images, or even add headers and footers. The choice is entirely up to you and depends largely on what your document necessitates at the moment. If you choose to edit text, simply click on the text area you want to change, and you'll find you can add your personalized content seamlessly. It also works similarly for images and footers. Just click on them to make your desired adjustments. This feature is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to personalize your documents with ease. In addition to these basic edits, Adobe Acrobat offers a treasure trove of powerful features worth exploring. For instance, you can combine multiple files into a single PDF, which is perfect for consolidating documents or presentations for easy sharing. There's also the option to redact sensitive information, ensuring your document adheres to privacy and confidentiality needs. Acrobat provides more than just these functionalities, so don't hesitate to dive in and explore the other tools available. The software aims to cater to all your document management requirements. To recap, navigating Adobe Acrobat begins with accessing your homepage, choosing a recent document, and familiarizing yourself with the toolbar. From there, it's a matter of deciding which elements to edit and personalizing them to your satisfaction. Explore the additional features at your disposal, such as combining files and redacting sensitive information. With practice and a bit of exploration, you'll master Adobe Acrobat in no time, turning your PDF tasks from daunting chores into efficient and streamlined processes. Enjoy your journey into the world of PDF editing with Adobe Acrobat.